Okay, here's the battle tracker robot thing, Nerf shooter, hooked up with the M connector. There's the buzzsaw, whatever, shooting disc helicopter, and this little guy. He'll work on just 6 volts. There we go, 6 volts. And let's see if he turns on the little switch on the back side. Manual. Right, here is the manual mode.
System fully operational.
If you hit this little button, that's the demo button. So let's turn that around. See how that works. And by the way, there's red lights on, no batteries. The little red button back there.
Greetings. The demo program for autonomous defense missile turret has been activated. This turret contains a payload of 12 ballistic missiles aimed with quadrature differential tracking. Unauthorized aircraft are targeted and neutralized.
Alright, and that's it. It works in manual mode too, which is in manual mode. Alright, then you take that out. You can charge the helicopter with it. Okay, put it to 9 volts. And then it will charge on its, you can see it there, it's plugged in. So it's going to blink, 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 meaning it's charging. And you can also check if you have fresh batteries in the back, which I do. Not exactly fresh, but they're working. If it has, if it runs off a battery, you can see. So as soon as you pull this, the M connector, it will still blink. It'll just take a second. It'll go, oh, I lost power. It'll go, oh, and there it goes. Full on blinking. So if you take out the batteries, this will not charge unless it's plugged in, and then when you plug it in, it has to also be turned on. So if you plug that in and you don't have the power on, meaning you whatever, just pull this out, then it will not use the battery. So you have to pull this out because that switch is not smart enough to say it senses there's no voltage, so override it. So if this is in, it has to be, you know, plugged in to be charging. In that example, that would be, you know, if I pull this out, this would, it doesn't know to keep charging. But if I pull out the M connector, the batteries will take over. So when you have this in, it has to be on, the transformer has to be plugged in, or it's going to run off a battery. So if you plug it in, it just shuts the whole circuit off if you don't have it plugged in. It just kills it. And that's it. And you can charge it up, and or use a little iPhone connector or controller and only use this for charging. That way you don't have to have batteries in the back of it. There we go.